So welcome back, and well, like every video, I'm gonna start by feeding the fish. Little Rosie's out today. That's my beta. Oh, they're not gonna be hungry at all. Lots of food. The past few videos, we haven't really seen Rosie.
She's not always out, is she?
Nah.
Sometimes she hides.
Yeah, under this castle.
She's pretty.
Mm-hmm. So now I'm going to show you my Easter bunnies because it's almost Easter. So right here, we have one, and right here it says, Happy Easter, a little Easter bunny. And over here, we have one cutie. And down here it says that, Happy Easter. Pretty cute. So now we're going to see the fun surprise in my bedroom that I've planned. So let's go. Come on. So today we're going to read some books, and at the end I'm going to teach you how to make a book. So these are the books that I made through the past few years. Can't say it today. They're all numbered. And we'll just start with this one. Search for the planets. Now for this one, we looked up a couple things and we wrote them down. The sun. The sun is in the middle of the solar system and by far the largest object. The sun is one of the more than 100 billion stars in the Milky Way and the hottest. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It orbits around the sun in 88 days. Being the shortest of the planets, it has no moons or rings. Daytime temperature can reach 430 degrees Celsius and drop to 180 Celsius at night. Venus. It is the hottest and highest of the planets. It spins slowly in the opposite direction of most other planets. It has volcanoes and mountains. It is about the same size as the Earth. It is the second closest planet to the Sun. One day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days. It has no moons or rings. The winds blow at hurricane force, sending clouds completely around the planet every 5 days. And this is what I drew when I was just like a little kid. And these are supposed to be the volcanoes and mountains, which isn't the best drawing ever.
You were only 4 when you did it.
Ah, I was only 4. No wonder it's so terrible. Earth. It is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. It is the only planet with liquid water on the surface. It is a rocky planet. Most of the planet is covered in water. Earth has 1 moon and no rings. Earth is the most beautiful planet of all. The moon reflects light to the Earth. You can see the moon during the day and the night. Well, not always daytime, but sometimes in the day. It has a rocky, solid surface body with much of its surface created from impact. Here's my little picture. Jupiter is the biggest planet. It is more than twice as big as all the other planets combined. Its strips and swirls are cold and windy. Clouds of ammonia and water floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Its great red spot is a giant storm bigger than Earth that has raged for hundreds of years. It is the fastest orbiting planet. It is a gas giant that has more than 75 moons and a ring system. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system. It has a gas giant. It has thousands of beautiful ringlets made of chunks of ice and rock. Saturn is a massive ball made mostly of hydrogen. It has 7 rings around. Uranus. Uranus is 4 times wider than Earth. It is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is an ice giant with a small rocky core. Uranus has 27 moons and 13 rings. The inner rings are narrow and dark, and the outer rings are brightly colored. Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun. It is the smallest gas giant. A year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. Neptune has 6 light-colored rings. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and the 2nd smallest planet in the solar system. It is often referred to as the red planet. So thanks for watching, and check back tomorrow to see what our next book is, because this book did take a while.